Hello, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see other YouTube channels tags. At the end of this video you will be able to find other YouTube channels tags, as well as any video you want. You can see the tags of that video. What we have to do is we have to go to the YouTube, and then you can find any video you want. I'm not going to find any video here. I am just selecting randomly, and let's see. I think this one is trading one is good. Let's see.
You probably don't know it yet.
Find the tags. Okay. As you can see, today we are not going to use any tool, so therefore don't worry about that, and we are just using simple techniques to see the tags of this video as well as channel of this person. Now we are in his channel. What you have to do is you have to right click and then go to view page source and click there, and you will see a page like this. Then you have to press Ctrl F and then type keyword. Okay, keywords, and then hit enter. Right, here we go. Now after the word keywords, you can see the tags of this channel: price action and trading and quote, forex, trading quote, like that. You can see all the tags here. Okay, all the tags. These are the tags that this man has used. So now we know how to find the tags of any YouTube channel, and then I'm going to show you how to find tags of a video. Again, we are going to YouTube home. YouTube home. Right, let's go, and I'm going to randomly select a video. Here we go. Right, I'm selecting this one. Okay, this video I'm going to watch it and pause it, because we are not going to watch this video. We are just going to find out the tags of this video, and then again right click, go to view page source and wait a little bit, and then Ctrl F and then also keywords. Already I have typed that, and hit enter, and again you will see the tags: passive income, YouTube passive income, and he hasn't used much tags for his content. So I think this is a real easy method, and you don't want any tool, paid tool, to find out about tags. So this is a very simple and nice way to find out about tags. So I think you have got something from my video, and we can see again later, because I am usually creating videos like this. I am sharing technical things like this with you, and therefore if you enjoyed my video, then you can subscribe to my channel, and also you can hit the like button as well.